Up for sale today, 1970 Nova, real SS, real 396 SS, 4-speed car, triple black, black interior, bucket seats, 4-speed. Non-original 396, but period correct 396. I believe I ran the numbers and it was a 1969 396 with 350 horsepower on it. So it's pushing out some good power. The trim is excellent. The chrome is excellent. The paint is new, like I said. I love the hubcap look. The hubcap look is amazing. Brand new tires. The interior looks relatively new, I would say, if I had to guess. Door panels are nice. The carpet's nice. The headliner's nice. No rips. The dash pad is nice. No cracks. The gauge, the 4-speed. Back seat. Yeah. Okay. Previous collection car. We have a little NCRS paperwork for it. The car in general shows really nice. It's an original black car. It'll be for sale soon, like I said. A real SS, 1970 Nova, real 396 SS, period correct, 396, 350 horsepower motor, factory bucket seats, factory manual transmission. Every door's got to be closed, you know. Look at the paint. New black paint. The undercarriage is nice. You probably saw the pictures already. So if you want more pictures, let us know. If you want to see more about the car, if you're interested in other stuff, look at the clouds. Let me know. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. The hubcaps, again, amazing. So get in touch. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Subscribe if you haven't already. Trying to get the block of the sun. Here you go.